We have one USB Type-C, another USB Type-C. This one is used for charging. This one is used for testing power banks. 2 slots. This is a single channel, so we can only just check for one 18650 battery, which is in this slot. This one we can use one battery to power this one up. Let's power up the unit and see how it goes. So we plug the USB Type-C. Yeah, we got a triple colored monitor. Let's grab a battery to check. I already tested this one out. It has 2286 milliamp hours. So we insert it and it will show the voltage here. It shows the state. I mean, what's happening in the thing. It's stopped, so it's not doing anything. You see the mode here. Auto means it will do a full charge and a discharge till this level of voltage you set. I set it to 3 volts. It seems like a safe discharge voltage for me. I wouldn't go any less than that because I use the batteries in regulated power banks and electronic cigarettes, and they don't get discharged less than that usually. Loop is how many times you want to repeat the cycle of charge, discharge, and charge. So the cycle is charge, discharge, and then charge back, the full thing. Here you see the internal resistance of the battery. Here you would see the milliamp hours, like the capacity of the battery when it's getting discharged. And I haven't figured this one out, milliwatt hours. Here we have the timer, like how much the procedure is taking. Over here we have the 2 big 10 watt, I think 8 ohm cement resistors. They get pretty hot when it's, because this is the load, this is what's used to discharge the battery. We have 3 buttons at the bottom, on, off, mode select, and start. So let's just, like, for demonstration purposes, so by pressing this you turn it off. If you hold it, it turns it off. Press again, turns it on. You can see the mode changing from charge, discharge, auto. Let's set it to discharge. To change the stop voltage, you press this button to navigate between the, say we pick this discharge voltage, and we can set it up. It goes in like 0.1 volt increments from 2.5, 2.6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 3.1, 3.2, and 3.3, 4, 5, and it round robins. So let's set it to 3.5, and to start you just press this and it starts the discharge. These 2 resistors get really hot. You can see here the capacity is going up and the timer is going up. I've used this unit to test 1, 2, 3, like probably 5. Like this one was dead, it's dangerous. I have to recycle it. This one also. Yeah, has been reliant. The readings have been pretty good so far. Yeah, it's something I'd have to use like rarely. I don't have so many batteries to check. I've just been making some assembling some power banks, and I needed to check the capacity on the batteries to have the best matches. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I forgot to mention that this model, I don't know about the other models, but it comes with very comfortable like silicone pads at the bottom, which when you put it on the desk, it wouldn't like, it has like, there is an elevation of like 0.5 centimeter, and it wouldn't damage your desk because of like the solder like blobs at the bottom. Yeah.